I mean, if you look at the case of Malta, for instance, the attack on the rule of law, in my opinion, has been systemic now for quite some time. Appointment of new members of the judiciary simply on the basis, by and large, not necessarily always, of strong affiliation to the political party in office. The whole question of, for instance, the lack of trust in the Commissioner of Police. We have at the moment in Malta, in the period of 4 years, the 5th Commissioner of Police that has been appointed. Why did we have to go to 5 different appointments? Well, because finally there is one commissioner who would simply not act if he is placed in a situation where he is in receipt of a report by our Financial Intelligence Analysis Unit that pinpoints definite money laundering mechanisms adopted by a Minister of Government and by a Chief of Staff within the Office of the Prime Minister. Now, this is just to give examples. And of course, we have the assassination of the journalist who was exposing one scandal after another. And now she has been silenced. There is a debate in Malta. Has she been silenced over what she had already written? Or has she been silenced also to prevent her from revealing new cases and further episodes which are very serious to proper governance of a country? Either way, had there been structures in place that acted upon her reports, then probably she would be still around, carrying out her duty as an investigative journalist, which reminds me again of another concept of rule of law. When we talk, her freedom of expression has been suppressed. I always go further, even in legal terms. And I say it is the freedom of expression of all the people of Malta that has been suppressed. Because freedom of expression is not merely my freedom to be here today and speak out my mind, but it's the freedom of your viewers to listen to me or not to listen to me, to follow. That's freedom of expression in European terms. The freedom of expression of the people of Malta has been suppressed because all those who wanted to follow this journalist can no longer do it. And is that a serious enough case for European Union to be more effective? I would like to think it is.